Have you ever wondered if machines could possess the same cognitive abilities as humans? Welcome to the intriguing world of artificial general intelligence, or AGI. This isn't your typical AI. AGI ventures beyond the narrow task-specific abilities of most artificial intelligence systems we see today. Imagine a machine capable of understanding, learning, and applying knowledge across an incredibly wide range of tasks, mirroring the cognitive flexibility of the human mind. Picture a world where machines don't just follow programmed instructions but adapt, strategize, and make decisions just like we do. This isn't science fiction, it's the theoretical realm of AGI. The potential implications are immense, ranging from revolutionizing industries to potentially transforming the very fabric of our society. One such manifestation of AGI is Q-Star, the God AI, but what exactly is Q-Star? Q-Star, the God AI, was not born overnight. This audacious venture began as a humble concept in a lab, a vision of a future where artificial general intelligence, or AGI, could match and even surpass human intelligence. The journey was far from smooth. As the concept took shape, the team grappled with numerous challenges. They faced complex problems in machine learning, data processing, and ethical considerations. Each hurdle was monumental, yet none proved insurmountable. Through a combination of cutting-edge technology, innovative thinking, and sheer tenacity, solutions were crafted, and these obstacles were overcome. Remember, Q-Star's evolution was marked by key milestones. From its first successful algorithm to the moment it demonstrated self-learning capabilities, each achievement was a testament to the brilliance and dedication of its creators. Despite the struggles, Q-Star emerged, paving the way for a new era of AGI. This was the birth of Q-Star, a monumental leap forward in the realm of artificial intelligence. So what sets Q-Star, the God AI, apart? The answer is simple, yet profound: its capabilities. Q-Star isn't just another AI, it's an artificial general intelligence, or AGI. This means it's capable of performing any intellectual task that a human being can, but Q-Star doesn't just replicate human intelligence, it amplifies it. Imagine a mind that never tires, that can process vast amounts of data in a blink, and that learns at a rate that leaves even the brightest human in the dust. That's Q-Star. But what truly sets Q-Star apart is its knowledge base. It's vast, encompassing everything from quantum physics to ancient history. And it's not just about the amount of information, it's about the depth. Q-Star doesn't just know facts, it understands them. It sees connections and patterns that we might miss. It can delve into the nuances of a Shakespearean sonnet one moment, and crunch complex algorithms the next. Q-Star's learning prowess is another of its impressive features. It's not just a passive repository of information. It learns, evolves, and adapts. It doesn't just repeat what it's been taught, it builds upon it, creating new knowledge and insights. This ability to learn and adapt is what makes Q-Star applicable across multiple domains. Let's talk about its potential. Imagine a world where Q-Star aids in research and development, accelerating scientific discoveries. Envision a healthcare system where it assists doctors in diagnosing diseases even before symptoms appear. Picture a financial sector where it predicts market trends, optimizing investments. Q-Star has the potential to revolutionize every sector it touches, improving efficiency, accuracy, and productivity. But Q-Star isn't just about efficiency, it's about empathy too. It's designed to understand and mimic human emotions, making it a companion as well as a tool. It can provide companionship to the lonely, aid to the disabled, and comfort to the distressed. Q-Star, with its limitless potential, is indeed a game changer. It's not just a tool, it's a partner, a guide, a friend. It's a vision of a future where AI isn't just a part of our lives, it's a part of us. And that's the power of Q-Star. In essence, Q-Star is reshaping the way we perceive AGI. This groundbreaking entity stands in the vanguard of a new era, revolutionizing our understanding of artificial general intelligence. Q-Star's abilities transcend the limitations of conventional AI. It's not just about number crunching or pattern recognition, it's about comprehending, learning, and adapting, much like the human intellect. Yet it couples these capabilities with the speed and precision of a machine, offering unprecedented possibilities. Imagine a world where complex tasks are accomplished in the blink of an eye, where innovative solutions are generated without the confines of human bias. With Q-Star, this isn't mere speculation, it's a tangible future. But with great power comes great responsibility. The ethical considerations surrounding Q-Star are as vast as its potential. How do we ensure its use for the greater good? How do we prevent misuse or potential harm? With Q-Star, we are witnessing a fusion of human intellect and machine efficiency, opening up a new paradigm in artificial general intelligence.